how to create a shared calendar. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create your very own shared calendar. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So here you can see I'm over here on Google Calendar, and here on the left hand side you can see my calendars and other calendars, right? And here you can create your calendar. So what you need to do is you need to go ahead and click on plus over here to add other calendars, or you can click over here and this will basically add appointments. So we're going to click on this button right here and click on add calendar and create a new calendar. And here you can go ahead and name it. So for example, I'll just name it team. Then over here you can add a description for that team, and you can even set a time zone for it as well, and the owner over here. And then you can go ahead and click on create calendar. So it's going to take a couple of seconds, so give it a couple of seconds and come back. All right, so the calendar has been created over here. You can see it says right here. Now we can go ahead and configure it. Click on the teams over here and it'll open up all the permissions and options for that calendar. Here you can go ahead and add auto accept invites. You have permissions and events. You have shared with. Here you have the option to share it with other people. So here you can add people and groups, and that calendar will now be shared with those people. So here if I want, I can go ahead and share that person, that one. These are all my own emails. So once we have that, they can see all the events and details, make changes and manage. So see only few, free, busy, hides. But yeah, I think you can go ahead and give whatever permissions you want and you should be good to go. But for me, I think I'm gonna go with this one and then click on send. Now they have the invite and they can come over here and go ahead and get started with it. And now we have a shared calendar. Next, if we go back, currently we can see this is theme right here. Let's say we want to create a new tasks over here, or double click it, or just simply click on the create button and create an event or a task. Let's go ahead and create a task, and here you can select the calendar as well, but these are like the tasks. Actually, we want to create an event for the calendar. That's one for the tasks option. And here we can see the calendar that we have. So we're going to select the teams. We can even go ahead and change the color, whatever we want, and then you can add the title. So we'll go with meeting, and you can go ahead and add whatever you want and then click on save. So okay, so it was July 1st, so instead of July 1st, let's go with day. There we go, teams, and we'll go with red. There we go, free on save. So now you can see, and this is how it's going to look like. Now anyone who has access to this calendar, they can see it, and all the other options, well, they're not going to be available because this is a separate calendar. So there you go, that's how you do it. That's how you can create a shared calendar in Google. So thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.